We're back. We're ready to make a real cup of coffee. It's plugged in, turning on the little power button, pouring in our water for our cup of coffee. Lower the lid, put the cup on, open, put in the K-cup, close. It's flashing, so we go ahead and push the button. And we're going to be patient for about a minute or so, maybe 2 minutes. Just waiting for my coffee. I have some cookies that I'm going to enjoy with my coffee. Got these from Aldi today. They're Winter Nacht, made in Germany. They're Heartstorm pretzel-shaped gingerbread coated in dark chocolate. So, some coffee. Make a cake. Shampoo my hair. The sound you hear in the background is not a big, ferocious Mastiff or German Shepherd. It's my little dog, Spike. He kind of sounds like the coffee brewer heating up. He's a Chihuahua Beagle, and he's on guard. He's watching a neighbor waiting for the school bus in our driveway. It's rainy here today in Georgia. It's a rainy day in Georgia, and I think it's going to be a rainy night in Georgia, too. I wish we could share our rain with others who need it. Okay. Still making a cake. Thinking of my cookies. And here comes the coffee. So, the takeaway from that is push the button and be patient. Be patient with the knowledge that you're going to have a wonderful cup of coffee soon. Not a hit or miss cup of instant coffee from me, because I make the worst instant coffee. The perfect cup of coffee in a compact Keurig. You have the confidence you have in the Keurig brand, and you have a nice little compact coffee brewer, which only uses 1470 watts of power. Ooh, it's getting serious out there, Spike. Well, thanks for watching. I'm going to go take care of Spike. Calm him down a little bit.